All right, great designers in the house. Okay, I do tell you that okay, you can do a lot of stuff with with Canva, right? You can do a lot of things with Canva. I mean, Canva Pro account. Okay, you can do a lot of stuff with it. So I want to say that okay, if you don't have Canva Pro account, please let me know. All right, you can actually get it with a little amount of money, and apart from that, you can actually get a lot of Canva Pro accounts. I mean, I can show you how you can get Canva Pro accounts, okay, and sell to make good money for yourself. Remember, 2026 is here, right? So I will need you to make sure you are business conscious, right? Business conscious. If you don't have a service to render, don't expect money to come your way. All right. So quickly, let's see how we can get this done, right? Are we ready? So this is how this is going to look like. If I play it, you can see that smoke effect, right? Very good. So I want to show you in a very few minutes how you can get this done, right? So let's go to Canva, our beloved Canva, right? Okay, make sure you get pro account. If you don't, like I told you, get in touch with me. We're going to get one for you. All right, so this is what to do. Let's go to home. All right, and then you go to create, and then let's use a custom size, and then at this point just type 736 by 736. All right, so when you do that, go to see create new design. Just let it pop up. So when you have created the dimensions, right, this is what you're going to see. Now don't use any of these templates, right? Just pull down this way. All right, pull down then click on the background, and then let's go to color. Change the color to black so that we can see it clearly, right? So go to text, and then let's add a heading and type smoke. All right, so what you do is increase the size, increase it, and let's change the font. I want to change the font. I want to use Archivo black. All right, very good. So what to do, it shouldn't be too make sure you align it very well. All right, I think this is okay. So what you can do is to duplicate this very one, duplicate it. All right, duplicate like this, and then go to effect, and then go to all, right? And then after you have done that, tap on it and take it back. Make sure it's well aligned as you take it back, right? You see it, make sure it's well aligned under the first one, right? Okay, now you have gotten this. What you can do is go to element, and then look for smoke green screen. So I've gotten that before. Okay, let me type that. You're going to see smoke, and then go forward, green screen. All right, smoke green screen. This is what you're going to search for, right? When you do that, you're going to see in video format. You're going to see a lot of them going to pop up, right? Okay, so the one I want to use already there, so I want to use this particular one. All right, so this is the one I want to use. So yeah, we can use this one as a demonstration. What you do is go to position, come to position here, and send it forward. You can see that, send it forward. Canva Pro, make sure you're using Canva Pro. Come over to this way, come to BG remover, and then click on BG remover to remove the background. You can see that. Okay, so you can now at this time you can decide to align it this way. You can do this, okay, to cover up, and then play to see how it looks like. Okay, so these are going to play. All right, these are going to play. Now if you feel that is too long, you can reduce, you can trim it. Okay, just click on the smoke video, come to trim. All right, just come to trim somewhere here. Yeah, click on C. It is 8 seconds, so let's click on that and trim it so that you will remove it shouldn't be too long. I think 5 seconds should be okay. So just take it this way and then drag from this end too. All right, everything should not be more than 5 seconds. So if you have done this, I think this is okay, right? I think this is okay. So you can play it and see how it goes. You can see it. Very nice smoke effect. Okay, so having done this, you can decide to what send it to anyone. This is going to look like. I hope you love what you are doing, right? Make sure you like and share. Subscribe to our channel so they can get more of this stuff, right, coming to you. I'll see you in our next video, right? Thank you and God bless you. This is Dr. Tam K, Duoko Designs Academies.